Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
He manifests himself over the earth with his authority and greatness. He is aware of its inside through his knowledge and understanding. He has power over everything in the earth by virtue of his sublimity and dignity. Nothing from the earth that he may ask for defies him, nor does it oppose him so as to overpower him. No swift-footed creature can run away from him so as to surpass him. He is not ready towards any possessing person so that he should feed him. All things bow to him and are humbled before his greatness. They cannot flee away from his authority to someone else in order to escape his benefits or his harm. There is no parallel for him who may match him, and no one like him so as to equal him. He will destroy the earth after his existence, till all that exists on it will become non-existent. But the extinction of the world after its creation is no more marvelous than its first formation and invention. How could it be otherwise? Even if all the animals of the earth, whether birds or beasts, stabled cattle or pasturing ones, of different origins and species, dull people and sagacious men, all jointly try to create even a mosquito, they are not able to bring it into being, and do not understand what is the way to its creation. Their wits are bewildered and wandering. Their powers fall short and fail, and return dazzled and weary. Knowing that they are defeated and admitting their inability to produce it. Also realizing that they are too weak even to destroy it. Surely, after the extinction of the world, God the glorified will remain alone. With nothing else beside him. He will be after its extinction as he was before its production. Without time or place or moment or period. At this moment, period and time will not exist. And years and hours will disappear. There will be nothing except Allah, the One. The all-powerful. To him is the return of all matters.